and welcome to my basement. So understand, this is a complete gut job. The basement was moldy, old, it was 3 rooms, and it was moldy. And I'm gonna say it again, moldy, because this is a basement. So there were some things that I had to fix internally, things that you didn't see. And then I decided, okay, what's next? So I decided to fix it and create zones. So follow me. So here I like to have a place where we could sit down and eat. So I got this nice little countertop where I could have people sit down, eat, also watch TV, right? Oh, and before I go any further, aren't these stairs gorgeous? I mean, they were old crusty stairs, and these were the stairs that I had specifically made for this place. So I'm excited about it. We have a fridge, freezer, and we have a wash or slop sink, but we also have a washer dryer, which is, everybody needs it. So I got it for here.